CFA is a completely student-run organization which is basically funded by the alumni of previous years. In CFA, we basically focus upon the innovation from our students. We try to bring all the freshers and the senior students into CFA to get best possible outcomes. We provide them with all the facilities, a good working friendly environment with all the learning resources. In C5, we have added in a lot of new teams in last 1 year, like the Mahindra Rice Challenge, the IGVC, the Shell Eco Marathon. Also, we have added new initiatives which include the Young Innovators program, in which we bring in all the freshers, students, and give them a chance to give an idea and work on that product. Also, we have I2I for senior students, which is similar to Young Innovators program, in which we allow our senior students to come to C5 and innovate.
Hi, I'm a freshie. My entry into C5 was as a part of the humanoid project. I was actually volunteering for the Robocon team actually last summer. It all starts with the orientation and small meetings, and we get to help the seniors in making small stuffs and assignments and something like that. Also, one thing which is great is you have all the equipments and stuff. Actually, this is the place where you can implement what you actually learn in text. And also, it's not that you have an idea and then come to C5. You can also come to C5 and then innovate.
I'm first year BTech mechanical student. First of all, C5 provides you a platform where we can work our own dream projects. Because of C5, I have learned a lot. How to operate different kind of machine, tools, and how to deal with technical problems. So C5 is the only place where we can apply our theoretical knowledge to build something practical. Basically, it helps you to move closer towards the real world.
IIT Madras participates in many national and international competitions. To list a few, we can talk about Robocon, which is an Asia Pacific national and international robotics competition. It is one of the most prestigious ones at that. And there is FIRA, in which we participate since the past couple of years, and we have been doing good over there. And FSA is a Formula student competition where the teams are encouraged to build their own cars and drive their own cars as well on the racetrack. And there is IGVC, which is again an international robotics competition. And there is AUV, Autonomous Underwater Vehicle Competition. In the competition conducted by the National Institute of Ocean Technology, you can see the banner over there. And we won the first prize at the national level over there. So competition, C5 has been doing pretty well. One very good initiative that the clubs have taken up this year is the summer schools. So summer schools are very introductory sessions conducted mainly for freshers who want to do some projects in their summer. These summer schools will help freshers groom themselves so that they can take up the projects. But right now, we are concerned more about the product development as well. We look to take our prototype level projects to the product stage, and that is a huge challenge. So this summer, that is one more thing we are concentrating mainly on.
On behalf of whole CFI, I would like to thank the batch of 2013 for providing us funds. The funds were basically utilized in funding the Young Innovators program of 2013-14. It basically involved various projects carried out by first years such as wall climber, autonomous fan cleaner, gesture recognition, and few other competition projects such as thruster design, sonar based navigation, motor controller, so on and so forth. We expect the same contribution from the batch of 2014. The projects were successful only because of the funds provided by the batch of 2013. Thank you.
The funds provided by the alumni were used for bearing the manufacturing costs for different projects. We were able to buy different equipment, inventory, power tools, electronic equipment and whatnot to make a project. Whatever, we used a lot of funds from the alumni. We were also able to import different components from other countries which weren't available in India. For example, the racing tires and rims were imported from US. And finally, I would like to thank alumni again for providing good working environment and infrastructure facilities in C5. I attribute this solely to the funds provided by alumni. Thank you.